Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel UPSC Hub. I am Ashish Kumar talking about our daily current affair May 2021. In this we will get all the daily current affairs, weekly current affairs and monthly current affairs with the motivational videos. So today is 22 May 2021. We have tried to cover all of your important questions in this video, and this is the very important video for you all to bring today's daily current affair. So we move about it. When you get the videos at 3 p.m. daily, so the PDF file of these videos you will get in the description as well. If you want it, then I will give in the I button or with the Instagram. Our Instagram channel is Army Lover 1. So our first question is, when is the National Anti-Terrorism Day celebrated? When is the National Anti-Terrorism Day celebrated? Option A 19 May, option B 21 May, option C 20 May, option D none of this. So its correct answer is 21 May is the correct answer. 21 May is the correct answer. 21 May is the correct answer. So our next question is, which club has recently won the UEFA Women Champions League 2021 title? Which club has recently won the UEFA Women Championship League's 2021 title? So option A Barcelona, option B Barcelona, option D Frankfurt, option D none of these. So its correct answer is Barcelona. Barcelona is the correct answer. Our next question is, recently how many sites in India which have been included in the temporary list of UNESCO World Heritage Site? How many sites have been added in this temporary UNESCO World Heritage Site? Is option A 4, option B 6, option C 7, option D none of them. So its correct answer is 6. 6 site has been added. Our next question is, recently Sami Silva has been elected as the president of which country cricket? Recently Sami Silva has elected as the president of which country cricket? Option A Bangladesh, option B Australia, option C Sri Lanka, option D none of these. So its correct answer is Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is the correct answer. Our next question is, how many times Pinarayi Vijayan has been sworn in as Chief Minister of Kerala? How many times Pinarayi Vijayan has been sworn in as the Chief Minister of Kerala? Option A third, option B second, option C fourth, option D none of the. So its correct answer is second. Second is the correct answer. Our next question is, who has recently become the second wealthiest person in Asia? Who has become the second wealthiest person in Asia? Option A Ratan Tata, option B Gautam Adani, option C Anand Mishra, option D none of these. So its correct answer is Gautam Adani is the correct answer. Gautam Adani has the second wealthiest person in Asia. Our next question is, which state has topped in implementing Ayushman Bharat scheme? Which state has stopped in implementing Ayushman Bharat scheme? Option A Odisha, option B Kerala, option C Karnataka, option D none of these. So its correct answer is Karnataka. Karnataka is the correct answer. Karnataka is the correct answer. In this state of Karnataka, he has started the Nekra Samman Yojana. Nekra Samman Yojana. Nekra Samman Yojana has been started. And the next started scheme is Apta Mitra app and Mega Sandesh app. Apta Mitra app. Apta Mitra app and Mega Sandesha app. Mega Sandesha app has been started. And the second is the world longest railway platform being built in Hubli. World longest railway platform has been built in Hubli, that is in Karnataka. In Karnataka, Hubli is there where the largest railway platform has been built. Our next question is Almaty Dam on Krishna River. Krishna River also has been gone from the Karnataka, which has the Almaty Dam known as Krishna Raja. Krishna Raja is named. Our next question is recently Maratha Kum became the first woman chief justice of which country? Recently Maratha Kum became the first woman chief of which country? Iran, Kenya, Iraq, none of these. So correct answer is Kenya. Kenya is the correct answer. Our next question is recently, Alok Ranjan Jha has been appointed as the ambassador of India to which country? Recently, Alok Ranjan Jha has been appointed as the ambassador of India to which country? Option A, Norway. Option B, Morocco. Option B, Belarus. Option C, none of these. Norway, Morocco, Belarus, none of these. So its correct answer is Belarus. Belarus is the correct answer. Our next question is who became the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest in 2021? Who became the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest in 2021? Option A, Rima Paul. Option B, Tasi Youngjom. Option C, Simmat Rawat. Option D, none of these. So its correct answer is Tasi Youngjom. Tasi Youngjom has the Indian woman first to climb Mount Everest in 2021. In this year 2021. Our next question is which state government has launched the Amrit Wahini app for online booking of bed in the hospital? Option A, Uttarakhand, Rajasthan, Jharkhand, none of these. Uttarakhand, Jharkhand, Rajasthan, none of these. Who has been launched this app to Amrit Wahini to book the online booking of bed in the hospital? So the correct answer is the Jharkhand. Jharkhand has made this app launched by the Jharkhand to book the bed of hospital. So the app made is Amrit Wahini. It has started also the Sarhul and Rohini festival. Sarhul and Rohini. Sarhul and Rohini festival. Sarhul and Rohini festival. Second is Nilambar Pitambar. Jal Samriddhi Yojana. Option. And next is GI tag for Soharai and Cobalt art. Sohari and Cobalt art. Option. And the next is Birsa Green Village Scheme. Birsa Green Village Scheme. Option. And next is school class start with Doordarshan. Our next question is who became the first Indian to win annual World Choreography Award? Who became the first Indian to win the annual World Choreography award? Ronit Jain, B. Suresh Mukund, C. Nirdesh Kaul, D. None of these. Ronit Jain, Suresh Mukund, Nirdesh Kaul, none of these. So its correct answer is Suresh Mukund. Suresh Mukund is the correct answer. Suresh Mukund is the correct answer. Next question is, who has recently been elected as the new president of the Tibetan exile government? Who has recently been elected as the new president of the Tibetan exile government? Option A, Pema Yangchen. Option B, Yang Karma. Option D, Pena Tezring. Option D, none of these. So its correct answer is Penpa Tezring. Penpa Tezring is the correct answer. Penpa Tezring is the correct answer. Next question is, who has been appointed as independent director of Sun Pharma? Who has been appointed as Indian director of Sun Pharma? Indian director of Sun Pharma. Option A, J.K. Dutt. Option B, Pawan Goenka. Option C, Muhammad Ali. Option D, none of these. So its correct answer is Pawan Goenka. Pawan Goenka is the correct answer. Pawan Goenka is the correct answer. Our next question is, in which country will the Women Rugby World Cup be held recently? In which country will the Women Rugby World Cup be held recently? Option A, New Zealand. Option B, France. Option C, Germany. Option D, none of these. So its correct answer is New Zealand is the correct answer, in which the Women Rugby World Cup has been recently held. Our next question is, which country has built its most powerful supercomputer Simurgh? Which country has been built its most powerful supercomputer Simurgh, which has the 0.78 MTP, and it was in June upgraded to 1 MTP. So option A, France. Option B, Iran. Option C, Japan. None of these. So its correct answer is Iran. Iran is the correct answer. Iran is the correct answer. This is the last question, and the PDF of this video is in description box. PDF of this file has been sent to description box, because and you all will get it at a zero cost, and it was a copyright contents, so don't use it anywhere in your YouTube channels, because it will bring the problem for you. So we give the daily current affairs playlist button in this I button, and the monthly current affairs also. So you will get all January to now, up to now, all videos, monthly and weekly current affair. So thank you for watching the video. Help us to grow up and give your full support to us to take all the videos, and share the link of this video to your friends so they can also get the help from this video. Thank you.